Alright, let's go, guys. I'm going for a service call today. Have to go fix a broken window. Somebody broke into their vehicle, so we're gonna go fix that. I got my tools. Battery's dead too, so I got the cables. Let's go. First stop, we're gonna pick up the parts. Adco Auto Parts, good used parts at a reasonable price. So we got the glass. We're heading over now. We here. These guys broke into this car just to steal stuff. Broke up the mirror. Yeah. Okay, let's fix this up. Working on this. These guys broke everything, bent everything. It's giving me a hard time. But we're getting there. Alright, it's going up and down. Done and dusted. This is the place I got robbed. They broke the window on. Good groceries, good prices. I'm gonna get some stuff myself now since I've done the job.